Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Path English. And I'm really glad you are here today. In this episode, you will listen to a powerful real story, a story about a boy who had nothing but refused to stay with nothing. As you listen, you will practice your English. You will also train your mind. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. And I will repeat important ideas so you can understand and speak with confidence. This is shadowing. You listen and repeat after me. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. A dream in silence. Imagine a quiet village. No big buildings, no busy streets, only fields and long days of hard work. In this place, a boy is born. His name is Chung Ju Young. His family is poor, very poor. He wakes up early. He works in the fields. He has no shoes, no toys, no easy life. People around him don't talk about dreams. They talk about survival. His father tells him, "Work, don't dream." But inside, the boy feels something different. A quiet voice says, "There is more." At 14, he tries to leave home to study, but he is stopped and brought back. Still, the dream does not disappear. Years later, he tries again. This time, he runs. Not a short run, a long, painful run, more than 100 kilometers, barefoot, hungry, tired. But he keeps moving, step by step. When he arrives in the city, he finds work, hard work. He carries heavy materials. His hands hurt. His body is tired. But at night, he whispers, "One day, I will build something big." Part 2. From nothing to something. Life is not kind to him. He opens a small business. It fails. He trusts people. They betray him. He loses money. He loses time. But he never loses one thing: his belief. Instead of quitting, he learns. He watches people. He studies how work happens. He understands how value is created. Slowly, his thinking changes. When he reaches his 30s, he makes a decision. "I will build my own company." He names it Hyundai. The meaning is simple, modern. At that time, his country is struggling, broken roads, few opportunities. But where others see problems, he sees possibility. He starts small, repairing roads, fixing buildings. Then comes a big challenge. Build a bridge. People doubt him. They say, "You can't do it." But he answers, "If I don't try, I will never learn." He studies. He works. He brings smart people together. And in a short time, the bridge is done. That moment changes everything. People begin to believe. Part 3. Building the impossible. After success in construction, he thinks bigger. Why not build cars? Again, people laugh. But he doesn't stop. He travels, he learns, he brings experts. The first attempts fail. Machines break, designs don't work. But every failure brings a question. What did we learn? Years pass. Then, one day, it happens. The first Korean car is built. The Hyundai Pony. It is simple, but it means everything. It shows that a country can rise, that people can create. Later, the company enters global markets. At first, success comes fast. Then problems appear. Criticism grows, sales fall. Many would stop here, but not him. He improves quality. He changes systems. He focuses on long-term trust. Slowly, the company rises again. Part 4, more than business. Over time, Hyundai becomes more than a company. It builds industries. It creates jobs. It changes lives. But Chung Ju-young never forgets where he came from. He visits workers, he listens, he respects every role. He believes leadership is not above people, but with people. Even in old age, he continues working, not for money, but for purpose. One day, he does something unexpected. He sends hundreds of cows to North Korea. A gift, not for business, but for peace. That moment shows his true character. Strong but kind, powerful but human. Part 5. Lessons for you now. Let's reflect. What can you learn from this story? Lesson 1. Start small. Big results begin with small steps. Lesson 2. Accept failure. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Lesson 3. Stay consistent. Success is not fast. It is built daily. Lesson 4. Take pride in progress. Even small improvement matters. Lesson 5. Help others grow. Real success is shared. You don't need to be rich to begin. You don't need perfect English to speak. You only need one thing: the courage to start. Each time you practice, you improve. Each time you speak, you grow. So, come back to this lesson. Listen again. Shadow again. Step by step. Word by word. You are building something powerful. This is the path English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.